Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering the 5 best oscillating belts and spindle sanders in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is WEN6510T 3.5 amp oscillating spindle sander. A 3.5 amp motor provides users with 1/2 HP of rotating energy. This compact model might be worth considering if you are new to spindle sanders and work with mostly small or medium-sized projects. Ample rotation speed is provided by the electric motor and it should not struggle with most types of wood. This unit has a small footprint, allowing it to take up minimal room on the bench or in a corner of your shop if you use a separate table to mount it on. You will find that this spindle sander has a reasonably low price point, making it a good choice for first-time buyers or woodworkers that are on a limited budget. This unit is smaller and lighter than other spindle sanders, something that will force you to mount it permanently on the workbench so that it does not move around while sanding. Number 2. Our second best pick is Jet 708404 Benchtop Oscillating Spindle Sander. This machine is built for daily use. Stronger build materials and design make this a contemplation for more serious woodworkers. It would make a great selection for furniture makers. A tilting work table will allow you to position your project at the proper angle required for almost any type of curved wood or drilled-out hole while still providing a secure hold on the project. It has a taller profile, a feature that allows you to work comfortably no matter how tall you might be. The heavy-duty workload capacity means that you can take on hardwood materials as well as giving you the option of applying plenty of pressure on the project as it makes contact with the drum surface. This spindle sander might be considered a bit of overkill for novice woodworkers or those who will not need this type of sander often. Number 3. Our third best pick is WEN6524 Oscillating Belt and Spindle Sander. Versatility is the important design element to look at with this 2-in-1 power tool. It makes use of sanding drums for typical spindle sanding while also including an option to attach a belt sanding component. You will have far more versatility with a belt sanding option, and it will allow you to take up less room than having a spindle sander and a belt sander in your shop. An adjustable table allows you to present the wood surface at a consistent angle, an important consideration on beveled edges that need to be uniform or curved surfaces that are difficult to keep in control. All attachments are stored in an organized manner along the front of the sander itself and are easy to reach for quick changing between drum sizes. This spindle sander will be a bit more difficult to set up and operate due to the optional drum or belt sanding attachments. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Shop Fox W1831 Single-Phase Oscillating Spindle Sander. This model is worth considering if you plan to use a spindle sander on occasion or work with mostly flat and straight surfaces. It is a light-duty design intended for casual woodworking, especially with softer woods. One of the first things to notice with this unit is the safety key that allows you to disable it if needed. This spindle sander comes with plenty of accessories from the start, allowing you to be more versatile with your sanding without having to buy more parts. There is no complicated setup with this sander, something that makes it friendly for first-time users and casual woodworkers who need a quick sanding power tool with minimal fuss. I found the accessory storage on this product to be lacking, and it would be improved with more room that gave a tighter hold on the unused components. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Triton TSPS 450 Cast Iron Top Oscillating Spindle Sander. This spindle sander by Triton is a good middle-of-the-road model. It will provide you with enough power to take on most small and medium-sized projects without creating too much rotation. Its price is also reasonable. Its base provides a stable work surface and should stay fairly stationary, requiring minimal fastening from you on the workbench. The dust collection design on this product provides ample power and should prevent most of the sawdust from making a mess or getting in the way. Noise levels during operation of this spindle sander are low, possibly due to the belt and motor design from the manufacturer. It has a dust port size that may not fit as many shop vacs as other models and may require an adapter in order to work efficiently. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.